This remote-controlled truck, Hercules, is loaded with a 2,000 milliliter bottle of iced tea, headed for the Xiaofei cargo yard. Here we have the Xiaofei designed bridge that allows both road and rail traffic on the same deck. A freight train is getting ready to pass through, and Hercules is stopping here. This is mainly to give way to the train. This remote-controlled train departs from the Xiaofei headquarters. Just like Hercules, its destination is also the Xiaofei MIA cargo yard. The journey takes about 170 seconds, which is just under 3 minutes. It's primarily used to transfer the iced tea being shipped by Hercules, but unlike the truck, it can only stop at designated stations. Compared to the train, Hercules is much heavier. The Jiashi bridge hasn't been maintained for years, and the piers are in a similar state. To ensure safety, Xiaofei needs to conduct a thorough inspection of the piers. This is the Xiaofei Hardhead Fish 2 underwater detector, specifically designed for checking the quality of underwater piers. The beeping sound indicates that the pier is showing signs of fatigue. If heavy trucks are to pass, the pier must be replaced. Although the piers were replaced, unexpected snowfall still posed challenges for traffic. Fortunately, Hercules arrived safely at the Xiaofei MIA cargo yard. It unloaded all the iced tea into small bottles for the train's cargo. Just when we thought the mission was a success, Hercules broke down on the return trip due to a mechanical failure on the bridge. Meanwhile, the remote-controlled train was already on its way back, and the risk of a collision was rising fast. Xiaofei regretted not choosing another vehicle for transport. At that moment, it was too late to change the decision. Now no matter what, it was too late. The train was speeding along the tracks. Meanwhile, Hercules remained stuck and couldn't restart. The only option was to drag it away before the train arrived, and they needed to act fast. The train was racing along the track at a speed of 0.003 Mach. If Hercules wasn't moved in under a minute, the train would reach the bridge. Time was running out, and Hercules had to be towed away quickly.